Hey y'all, so listen, I just got done recording the final review on this hair. This hair is Be Famous Beauty. It's called Tyra. So if you want to go see the installation, the refresh, or the final review, all three of those videos should be out at this point. This is just a random video only because, all right, I have a friend, y'all. Her name is Kristen. I was helping her do some crochet, like over the phone, just text, helping her when she had questions or whatever, right? And so when she got ready to take the hair down, she was saying, oh, it keeps getting tangled. It's just awful to come out. And I'm like, how? How is it getting tangled? It wasn't this hair. It was some other hair she had. I want to say probably free twist, deep twist, but I'm looking at, I'm like, how? Like, how is it getting tangled? Like, I don't know, how? And, she is a braider. She does, other people's braids and stuff like that sometimes. So I'm like, how? I don't understand. And if I can find, if my phone goes back far enough, I will put the text messages on the screen for you guys. But and she'll probably, I don't know, she might find it funny, or I might get cussed out, but it's whatever. But I'm like, it just doesn't make sense. Like, how does it tangle when the length of the hair is gone? I'm trying to figure out what you're doing. And so I just realized, I was like, you did cut it, right? And she was like, what? I got to thinking about my subscribers, and I'm like, damn, if she didn't know how to take crochet hair out, then it's probably other people that don't know. So I'm just going to show you a few. I'm getting ready to take this out because I'm getting ready to install this other Janet Collection hair later on today. After I do my wash and condition. And yes, you're supposed to wait at least, I want to say 2 weeks between styles, if not 2 days between styles. But being that, I'm in this whole YouTube game, that don't always happen. That rarely happens, actually. But if you ever see me on Instagram, you follow me on Instagram and I got a wig on, then oh, she waiting her 2 days or whatever. It's rarely ever 2 weeks because, shit, I ain't got that kind of time. But, so anyway, I'm just going to show you what I do for a few, so that way you know what's going on and you know how to take it out, just to make sure that, we all taking it out the same way. Now, this is not for locks, braids, any kind of reusable crochet hair. Don't cut it. That's fairly simple to take out. You pull it at the knot and pull it out and it should just come on out. But for loose hair that we're not going to reuse, basically we're just going to cut the length of the hair off and then pull it out, okay? Okay, so I got my scissors, and y'all, like, I've been edge controlling it, and, it's been some weeks, so yeah, it's looking raggedy up here. But, don't judge me, all right? Don't judge me. So all I'm doing is, now I'm breaking it down for y'all, but I really be sitting in my bed doing this, or I'll get Q to do it for me. But basically, you see the knots are right here, and I'm just basically, and I'm sorry, I'm looking at the mirror over here because this display is not big enough and I got my glasses on. But basically you're just gonna cut. You can cut right above it. See, and I usually do like the whole top section, but for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do that because I don't want this to be a long video. So basically you'll do this like all over your head, and I do it and sit in the bed, y'all, for real. Like, once I cut the length off and make sure I'm not cutting my hair. When I do the back, sometimes I really do get Q to do it if I feel uncomfortable, because, sometimes like when you tuck your braids, especially if you've worked for a long time, the tails of your own hair will like work its way out, and you can't see that in the back of your head if you're doing it yourself. So I sometimes get Q to help me with it depending on the situation. So basically, I'm done. Let's just say that's all over the head or whatever. Then I just start pulling. I feel for the knot. Like, you don't even have to look in the mirror and do my eyes closed. Like, you feel for the little loop going this way. Let's see if I can feel one. And then you just pull it out. That's it. That's all you're doing. And these are secured with a double knot. And this is technically harder. So that's it. I'm doing my eyes closed just for y'all to see. Like, this is nothing. If you cut it right over the knot, it's nothing. I'm done just like that. So it should only take no more than 30 minutes. No more than 30 minutes to take crochet hair out of your head. That's it. Okay? So, and that really goes for, you know, any kind of knot. It can be, that goes for any kind of knot. It can be, you know, the different kinds of knotless, you know, the, what do they call it? The figure eight. Now, no. The figure eight is not like that. The figure eight is different. If I end up doing a figure eight crochet, I'm going to do a takedown video for that. I'm definitely going to make a note of that, because the figure eight, you still cut the length off, but you can't cut because the knot is underneath the braid, right? So you're just going to try to cut the length off, and then you basically unbraid your hair, and as you unbraid your hair, the rest, like the knots, come out. So that's a bit different. But as far as the classic crochet, the knotless crochet, stuff like that, this is all you do. That's it. So there should be no tangling, shouldn't be no issues with you taking this down. It is simple as hell. All right. So let me know, did y'all know to do this, or y'all been doing this? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any other tips to even make it faster, baby, I'm trying to know it. So put it in the comments as well. So anyway, thank you for all your love and support, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.